Bryce, is that good? Is that the best edible slime you ever made?
Welcome to our family review. Today we're going to be showing you guys how to make edible slime with gummy bears and confection sugar. Let's get started. Microwave the gummy bears for 20 seconds. Now we're going to add the confectionery sugar. Then we're going to stir it up. We're going to stir it until it's not super sticky anymore. So it's not sticking to the sides. This is what it's looking like so far. I think I need to add a little bit more because mine's still like a huge glob. Mine too. Mine. It's big. You're right, that is like a huge glob. How does that taste? Good?
It tells
If you
how-
want to serve when it's not ready, make sure that it's not hot. Oh, it'll be hot.
How's it looking?
Mine looks kind of like dough, but it's too warm. But
To what?
it's like too like that won't come out off the spoon. This is what happens if you mix edible slime with a baby. And here's what it looks like when we've been mixing it. It started to become good dough. Yeah, you did. And now let's have a taste test. Mmm, so yummy. Thanks for watching. So that's how you make edible slime.